Make only 6 cupcakes with this small batch cupcake recipe. This recipe is perfect for when you want a sweet treat or an assortment of flavors. With this recipe, you will make delicious cupcakes every time. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of any boxed flavored cake mix. Add 1/3 of a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. Whisk the ingredients together until the batter starts to form. What I love about this recipe is that you can make an assortment of cupcake flavors, and it works with any boxed cake mix. Add the batter to a muffin pan filled with liners using an ice cream scoop with a lever. I love using an ice cream scoop with a lever because it helps to get even cupcakes as well as helps prevent the batter from dripping all over the pan. If you are using a 12-tin muffin pan, fill the empty tins with water to promote even baking and prevent the empty tins from overheating or warping. In a 350-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven, bake these cupcakes for around 15 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let these cupcakes cool completely before adding your favorite frosting. Learn how to make perfect cupcakes from a boxed cake mix that tastes like bakery or homemade cupcakes in the link above or the video description below. Once cooled, frost these cupcakes with your favorite frosting. Also be sure to check out flavored and colored frosting recipes to add to these cupcakes in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back soon to bake more good things.